How to set auto replies on WhatsApp. Today share a special article for you about WhatsApp business application. Nowadays WhatsApp can help you in your starting business. Almost every mobile user has WhatsApp installed on her mobile phone. So the wise setup is to use technology for your benefit instead of entertainment. The WhatsApp business has a few auto reply features, but these are not enough if you want to get benefit for your business development purpose. There is a cool application in the Google Play Store that can sell all of the necessary settings for you how to set auto replies on WhatsApp. This application will work with simple WhatsApp as well with the business WhatsApp. With the help of this Android application, you can set a unique reply and can respond faster to your client friends. Download this great WhatsApp boot and start reaching and getting benefits. You can download it for free and you don't need to pay something for it. Silent features and advantages. React to all messages when you are not available. Send answers to the specially asked questions. You can adjust individual reply. Auto reply to WhatsApp basic application or WhatsApp business. Instant answer with your location, time or date. Automatic schedule with the desired delay. If will not affect your last scene. It is a beta application and soon will be available with a lot of more benefits plans. It has two plans. Continuously plan, you can choose this plan if you are away and can't reply to your messages. Custom plan, if you are away for a specific interval of time. If someone writes you at that time, this will trigger the auto reply. You can select the setting according to your business hour. You can set your desired replies and away message to respond to your client in a nice manner. I hope you enjoy this great article. Thank you for support. Please like and subscribe my channel.